Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about operators in Java. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. Operators are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. For example, plus is an operator used for addition, while asterisk is an operator used for multiplication. Operators in Java can be classified into following groups. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations on variables and data. Java arithmetic operators are used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They act as basic mathematical operations. Java assignment operator is one of the most common operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Bitwise operators in Java are used to perform operations on individual bits. The bitwise AND operator always checks both conditions whether first condition is true or false. The bitwise OR operator always checks both conditions whether first condition is true or false. Logical AND returns true if both statements are true. Logical OR returns true if one of the statement is true. Relational operators are used to check the relationship between two operands. That is, they are used to compare two values. The Java unary operators requires only one operand. Unary operators are used to perform various operations, that is incrementing or decrementing value by 1, inverting the value of a boolean. The ternary operator is a shorthand for the if-then-else statement. Here's how it works. If the expression is true, expression 1 is assigned to the variable. If the expression is false, expression 2 is assigned to the variable. The left shift operator shifts all bits towards the left by a certain number of specified bits. As we can see from the image, we have a 4-digit number. When we perform a 1-bit left shift operation on it, each individual bit is shifted to the left by 1 bit. As a result, the leftmost bit is discarded and the rightmost position remains vacant. This vacancy is filled with zeros. The signed right shift operator shifts all the bits towards the right by a certain number of specified bits. When we shift any number to the right, the least significant bit are discarded and the most significant position is filled with the signed bit. Java also provides an unsigned right shift operator. Here the vacant leftmost position is filled with 0 instead of the signed bit. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.